Hey, welcome back, learners. In today's video, we are going to explore a fantastic concept in artificial intelligence that is called as Retrieval Augmented Generation or RAG. This technology combines the best of the both worlds, retrieving information and generating responses. By the end of this video, you would understand how RAG works and why it is so important. So let's dive in. So let's understand first what is RAG with the help of an example. Imagine you have a super smart friend who knows a lot but sometimes needs to look up extra information to give you the best answer. That's basically what RAG does. It combines two things, retrieving information and generating responses. When you ask a question to the LLM, it generates responses based on the information it was trained on. However, if the question involves information that the LLM has not been trained on or it is outside its knowledge base, it may not provide accurate or up to date answers. For example, if I ask a question, what is the revenue of my company ABC in the year 2024? So, the possible answer that I would expect from my LLM is sorry, I don't have the information, but this is actually not the right answer. The goal is to augment the LLM so that it can respond accurately even when the information required to answer the question is not the part of its training data. This is where retrieval augmented generation RAG comes into the play. So let's understand the complete flow how RAG works. Suppose this user can be a bot or another application. Ask a question from the bot. What was the revenue in Q1 from the customer in Northeast region? So that's your prompt. First part is easy to understand that what was the revenue, but the second part in Q1 by the customer in Northeast is a bit tricky. That's not something LLMs are trained on, as this question is specific to our business and revenue changes over time. So how do we manage that part of request? For this, you need multiple data sources of data that can be in the form of PDFs, documents, as we need external data to answer the second part of the question. So you must be curious to know what technology is used to aggregate that data and use it for LLM. For this, basically, we put this data in database called as vector database. A vector database is a mathematical representation of structured and unstructured data similar to what we see in an array. These arrays are better suited or easier to understand for machine learning or generative AI model. So when we query our database and we get embeddings as an output, these embeddings are included the relevant data for which we are prompting, and we include them back to the original prompt. So now the prompt includes vector embeddings and fed it into large language model, which then produce the output with answer of our original question, which is sourced up with the up-to-date and accurate data. As new data comes to this vector database, embeddings are updated. So when question is asked second time, this will have more relevant data in order to provide back to the LLM, which generates the output in the answer. So this is the complete flow how RAG architecture works. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome AI content. See you next time. Thank you.